Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and for anyone who's new here, hello, my name is Ruth, and for anyone who's coming back, welcome back. And as you can see in the title of this video, this is going to be an unboxing. So let's start unboxing this beauty right here. And it came in this shoebox from Valentino, and also the receipt. I actually bought it from the Salam stores here in Qatar. I first checked on the Valentino store in Villaggio, their actual shop there, but they didn't have my size, so they checked their branch in Salam stores, and luckily they found my size there, so they sent me there, and that's where I bought it. So anyway, let's go ahead and open this. I'm so excited to open it because I really want to wear it. So in the box you have these two dust bags, and also the sticker that has the price on it. I bought it here in Doha in Qatar for 2,740 Qatari riyals. Yeah, usually I don't want to talk about prices for the goods, but just in case some of you are from Qatar and are interested to know the prices of the Valentino here, then that is the price. And let's go ahead and open it. So excited! Ta-da! These are the shoes, and I'm so in love with it. I love the color poudre. Poudre? Is that how they pronounce it? I don't know. Of Valentino. My other Valentino shoes, which is right over there, is also in the poudre or nude color. But that is in patent, and this one is in matte color. And how stunning are these shoes? So just look at that. It has a chunky heel, and I got it in a size 41.5. So these are the shoes. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, I've been eyeing on these shoes for like I think 1 or 2 years now, because whenever I go to Europe, I always check or try to find these shoes, but I really cannot find it. And I said that this year I'm gonna really actively find it, even though it has to be bought in Qatar. I will go and buy it because this year we have a few travels during the summer, so I know I'll get a lot of use out of these shoes. So definitely so excited to try this out and to wear it and style it with many outfits. So if you want to see how I style it, I'm gonna link my Instagram down below, and usually I just post my outfits over there. So yeah, that is the shoe, and yeah, that is the unboxing for you. It's just gonna be really short, but I just want to pop in and share this with you. And yeah, if you want to have, or if you want me to make a review on this shoe probably in a few months from now, do let me know in the comment section down below. And also, yeah, any other video suggestions that you have, let me know also down below. So that's it for this really quick unboxing. I hope you guys that enjoyed it as much as I did, and also I hope to see you again in my next video. Have an awesome and beautiful day.